Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to the second week of Distant Learning. In today's lesson, we will review nonfiction texts, we will read a book about rabbits, we will play a fact game about the story, we will review what main idea and key details are, and we will also go over our nonfiction assignment for the week. Nonfiction books teach us information and facts. Nonfiction is real. It has text features and photographs. The topics can be about holidays, animals, or sports. Today, our story, we are going to read about an animal, and our animal that we're going to be reading about is rabbits. Some rabbits live on farms. Other rabbits live in the wild. Rabbits have two long ears. These help rabbits hear very well. Rabbits have soft fur. Most rabbits have short fur. And this is a text feature. It's highlighted, so it tells you that it's an important word in our story. Angora rabbits have long fur. Some people make yarn from their fur. Rabbits eat plants. A rabbit's teeth can grow long. Rabbits chew on things to wear down their teeth. Most farm rabbits live in a cage called a hutch. Rabbits hop around the farmyard to exercise. This rabbit needs to rest. He's tired. Okay, friends, so we finished our story, Rabbits. Now we're going to play a game. And in this game, we need to decide if the statements are true, which is fact, or false, which is fiction. The computer is going to read the directions and the statements. Miss Gann will review before selecting an answer.
Read the sentence below. Is it fact or fiction? Click on a button to give your answer. Rabbits can make themselves disappear.
Okay, so we see two pictures of a rabbit. We see a real picture of a rabbit with the word fact underneath. Then we see a fantasy rabbit, and we can tell it's fantasy or fiction because it has clothes on, and it's smiling, and it's on a sled, and we know those things cannot happen in real life. So our computer read, rabbits can make themselves disappear. Miss Gann thinks about our story. I don't remember reading anything about rabbits disappearing. So that is fiction.
Nice work.
Rabbits hop.
Think about our story. Did we read a page that said rabbits hop to get exercise? We did. That is fact.
Nice work.
Rabbits eat plants.
Think about our story. We did learn that rabbits eat plants.
Nice work.
Rabbits like to wear lipstick.
And lastly, rabbits like to wear lipstick. Did we read any of that in our story? No, we did not, so it's fiction.
Nice work.
Okay, now that we've played our game, we're going to move on to our main idea. And to identify a main idea, we're going to follow the following steps. Listen for words that repeat in the text. And once we identify that word, we're going to decide if it's a person, place, thing, idea, or animal. So think about our story. What was our main idea? Was our main idea whales, insects, rabbits, or tigers? So think about what Miss Gann just read and our game we just played. What did we talk about on all of those pages? If you said rabbits, you are correct. We talk about rabbits on all those pages. Now we're going to talk about key details. And key details tell important information about the story, and they give information about our main topic. So we already decided that our main topic was about rabbits. So now Miss Gann has 3 statements, and I want you to decide which detail does not belong. So we have rabbits have 2 long ears, rabbits have scales, or rabbits eat plants. So close your eyes and think about our story. Which statement does not fit? And if you said rabbits have scales, you are correct, because we know that rabbits have fur. Now we move on to our assignment. So our assignment this week is a graphic organizer talking about our main idea and our key details. So the first thing I want you to do is write your name and date. You can fit it anywhere on the paper. And then you're going to write our title, and our title was just called Rabbits. Then our main idea, which we've already discussed, was rabbits. So I want you to draw a picture of a rabbit, and I want you to label it. You can label his ears, his tail, his whiskers, his body, his feet. And then I want you to write a sentence for key detail 1, 2, and 3. Remember, a key detail is something that talks about rabbits, and we learned many key details in our story. Remember, when you're writing your sentences, they start with a capital letter, they have finger spaces, and punctuation. Parents, if you're not able to print this, you can do it on a blank sheet of paper. All right, boys and girls, I hope you had a great time with our reading lesson this week, and Miss Gann will talk to you guys next week. Bye!